If you own a business and you want to get a business website, just take my advice. The best way is to build it yourself. And this presentation, I will show you 5 steps you need to take to create your own professional, beautiful, and responsive website for your business all by yourself. Having a website for your business in 2020 is a non-negotiable necessity. But here's the issue. To get one, you would have to hire a web developer who will charge you nothing less than $500. That's almost 200,000 naira. And you will keep paying monthly maintenance fee. Jeez. And you will have to run after him every time you need to make an update on the website. Maybe you need to upload the picture of a new product, or you need to change a text or color, and you will keep paying him extra if those changes are not part of the original design. That is even if he has your time, because developers are always very busy. Well, you might not see this as an issue, but imagine if your whole business revolves around your website. Let's say you own a photography business where you need to constantly update your image portfolio. Or you own a cake business and you need to keep adding the pictures of the newest wedding cake that you just made. Or a fashion designer. Don't even get me started if you are a product seller. Why don't you just learn it yourself? And in this video, I will show you 5 easy steps involved in building your own business website. And it is incredibly simple. You won't believe how simple it is, and I am not talking about Wix or Squarespace or Shopify where you have to pay a ridiculously high amount of money every month. This method is the best and it is absolutely free. This method is what I use to build professional websites for my clients. Oh, before we proceed, let me introduce myself, please. I know we are probably meeting for the first time, so let me just introduce myself. My name is Sam and I am a professional software engineer and a business enthusiast. Yep, I love business so much. In fact, that is why I have dedicated myself to using my technology skills to improve the business of entrepreneurs like yourself. I and my team at Edens Digital, we have created a lot of business websites for people locally and internationally. I also created Nova University, which is a learning platform for youths who are willing to learn monetizable digital skills. And I own about 2 e-commerce stores. I have a store manager for them, and I'm also into digital marketing and a lot of stuff. You know what? This just got very interesting because now you know that I will be teaching you from more than 5 years of business and technical experience. The way we do business has changed compared to 10 years ago. Gone are those days where all you need is just a good old workshop by the roadside and you are good to go. I'm sorry, but if you don't notice, we are in a very fast-growing internet age. A lot of things are being done online. Protests are being done online. Church services, learning, sales are being done online. So tell me why your business should not thrive online where the world is, moving towards to. And you know what? Businesses that do not keep up will die. Websites are important to establish online presence for your business. This is the next big thing in the world. Speaking of big things in the world, there is rather an unpopular concept called evolution. Whenever there is an event that shakes the world, there is a major shift in power. Okay, here's what I mean by that. During the First World War, that was an event that caused a major disruption in the world. Millions of souls were lost during the war. This triggered a power shift. The rise of the nobles, the king, the monarchs, and common men. People who took advantage of the opportunity created by the World War became the royals. World War II paved the way for the Third Industrial Revolution. World War II leveled the playing ground again. War spared no one, both the nobles, the king, the poor, and the rich. It gave everybody their own shares. It gave regard to no one, and the playground was leveled again. World War II caused the end of the nobles, the monarchs, and the rise of political system. They are just now mere ceremonial leaders. A monarch can be dethroned by a governor. And see, that's a major shift in power. Now, recently, World War III. Yes, so right under our noses, it was in the form of a trade war between the United States and China. The battle for economic supremacy and who will control 5G technology. To top it all, the master of all, that's Mr. COVID-19. Both president, governors, the rich, the poor, is give no regard to your status, no regard to your belief in God or whatsoever. It's killed without discrimination. Now again, the playground has been leveled. I mean, no one knows what will happen in the post-COVID-19 world. No one has ever experienced that before, which means we are right in the middle of a massive power shift, and only people who are fast enough to take advantage of it will rule. During the third industrial revolution, when people were keen into the opportunities the industrial revolution brought them, some went into politics, some went into education, some saw opportunities in petroleum. Their children are, they are the Dangotes, they are the Otedolas, they are the Jeff Bezos, they are the rich people of the world right now. And maybe your own forefather and my own forefather, they are busy marrying wives and giving back to children and harvesting yams or something. And now we, their children, we are left to struggle. But here is another opportunity. There is another opportunity for us right now that is paving way for what I called the digital revolution. Every serious business owner knows that the markets change very rapidly and you have to catch up with the trend before it's too late. And the major trend that all entrepreneurs have to take advantage of is the sudden surge in the amount of people online. People nowadays use the internet to solve their day-to-day problems, to locate where they are going, to order food, to buy clothes and other needs, to find answers. People practically use the internet for almost everything now. In case you don't know, Facebook has 2 billion users. Instagram has more than 1 billion users. Twitter has 330 million. WhatsApp has over 2 billion users worldwide. The rate at which people use this platform is alarming. It has even started to affect our interpersonal relationship. The point is that your potential clients spend their time online now. Let me shock you with something. Google processes 70,000 search queries in a second. That is a total of 5.8 billion in a day and 2 trillion in a year. This is mind-blowing. Do you know what 2 trillion is? 1 trillion is 1,000 billion. Then 2 trillion is twice that. To further buttress my point now, let's do a quick experiment. What's your business about? Let's say photography. Now go online to Google and type photographers near me. Do you know what will happen? Google search bot will swing into work and find businesses with websites that are close to where you are, because Google knows your location. They can track your phone and know where you are. They can actually have a location, so they give you results based on where you are. The point is, only businesses with websites will be found. And you wonder why some people are getting more clients than you, getting more customers than you. They have a website and you probably don't. Here are some benefits of having a business website. You get massive online traffic, visitors from all over the world. Secondly, it opens up opportunities that you wouldn't have if you don't have a business website. Having a business website gives you credibility. You know that clients will relate with you the way you present yourself. When client sees your website and how professional it is, they will know that this is not one of those cheap businesses that they can just price down anyhow. It also makes people trust you. Telling people that please log on to our website and you can see the several packages that we have for you, it gives you this kind of trust. Then they can trust you with millions of naira worth of projects. The people that are getting millions of naira worth of projects, they are not better than you. They are just better branded than you. That's all. A website is also a powerful business tool, and it increases your reach and visibility. So you would agree with me right now that you need a business website, right? Most people hire a developer to build their business website for them, which is totally fine. It's not a bad thing. But here's the thing, you pay a huge amount of money, and even recurrently every month for website maintenance. Website maintenance that I will show you exactly how it is done now, perfectly for free. You give up your freedom to make swift business decisions. You can't update anything without reaching out to the developer first, who is busy posting you, and you have to pay extra all the time. Actually, it's not our fault as developers. We are very busy people. In fact, the reason why I decided to make this presentation to help entrepreneurs is because one of my clients, she is a wedding photographer, and every time she always has a new photo to update on her website. Although she doesn't mind paying extra, but it's frustrating for her because most of the time I am busy with other people's work. You have to wait your turn. Then I had an idea. Then I asked if she would be willing to pay me $100, that's about 40,000 naira, to just record a video for her on exactly how she can update and upload new pictures for herself. And she was excited about it, and now she's very happy. She's as happy as ever. Of course, she still pays me every month for website maintenance fee, and if she needs any big modification, she reaches out and I try to make time to fix it for her, but not as frequently as before. Now, the truth is, nobody understands the vision you have for your business like you. Shouldn't you be the one calling the shots for your business website, for God's sake? Building it yourself will give you flexibility, total control. You will save cost. Let's say you have another business idea today. You will just jump online and build your own business website. Easy peasy. And it is very simple, as you will see. It is very, very simple. Now, pay attention. I am about to hit you with the hammer of God. This is the moment of truth. We're about to start. 5 major steps to creating your business website. Now, step 1. Choose a great domain name. Here are some guides that will help you choose a great domain name. Don't use a local name. Make your business name stylish and presentable. In my country, Nigeria, some business owners name their business after themselves, like ngozistore.com or mohammedphotos.com. What? That sucks, man. That's terrible. Be stylish, like perfectlensphotography.com or crescent store or elegant fashion, all those stylish names. It makes it much more presentable, and it makes people, it's just sounds well to people. It inspires trust. And make sure it is all in small letters. A great website name does not contain capital letters. I hope you are writing these things down. I hope you are jotting some things down. The name has to match your business and must be unique to your business. For example, if a website name already exists, you can't use it again. Like, you cannot call your website facebook.com because Facebook is already taken. There's another company called Facebook. You can't call your own company Facebook again. You have to look for something new that is not taken before you can, register that as your own domain name. And also choose the right domain extension. We have a lot of domain extension like .com, .org, .net, .site, .com.ng, .in, .co.uk, .gh. Those ones are, they are country-specific extensions. And step 2, purchase your domain name. It can be as simple as just buying a clothes from Jumia or Amazon. All you need is a reliable host provider. It's very important. Stay away from cheap hosting because website metrics like your website loading speed, the availability, which we call uptime, and also if it will show on the first page of Google search results. It all depends on the kind of hosting provider you're using. If you are using a cheap, crappy hosting, your website will, behave crappy as well. And step 3, after you purchase your hosting and domain, you need to make some small, simple settings, which include the installation of the amazing platform we'll be using, which is called WordPress. WordPress is the #1 most used content management system in the world. It is kind of like the backbone of millions of websites on the internet today. Thank God for WordPress because it simplifies the process of website creation so much that business owners like you can build professional, stunning looking websites in just simple few clicks. Hundreds of thousands of pre-made themes and templates that you can customize to suit your own business, and it looks amazing on both desktop, tablet and phone. Which brings me to step 4, importing the right template for your business. From this pool of thousands of templates, you should not get carried away. You should choose the one that best suits your taste and your business. There are several ones in several niches, and the complete website have been made available from the home page to the services page to the contact us page to the about us page and all. You can also even create your own. I mean, this is just so amazing. The best part is that it is totally customizable, which I will discuss in step 5. You will get a simple drag and drop interface to change pictures to whatever it is you want, to change colors, customize text, and anything. When I say anything, I mean any freaking thing. And you know what? It is all free. You are not paying anything for WordPress. WordPress is free. Oh, and as regards the monthly maintenance, it is just making sure your themes and plugins are up to date. The people who made those themes are constantly improving and updating their themes so that your website visitors will have the best experience. All so-called maintenance is just you clicking a button that says update now. That's all. In fact, the latest version of WordPress allows you to automatically update, such that once you enable auto update, you don't have to click anything. It will just keep on updating by itself. That's it. I just saved you recurrent monthly maintenance fee. That's all. I just saved you a lot of money right now. This couldn't get any more interesting, right? You're wrong. Things are even about to get even a lot more interesting. See, as easy as it is, without the right guide, you might still struggle. That is just the truth. What if you can have access to a step-by-step guide, walking you through all the processes involved, from zero to getting your domain, to installing WordPress, to putting your first and your finishing touches on your website? Remember my clients that I made a video for on how she can upload her own pictures by herself on her website? Well, her satisfaction inspired me to create a step-by-step guide specially for you. A walkthrough, click where I click. It's been grabbing you by the neck and showing you, not grabbing you by the neck, grabbing you by the hand and showing you how you can get it finished from zero, to a finished website. Don't mind my joke. Video walkthrough guide with more than 65 videos, all sequentially divided into 9 powerful modules. Complete an honest recommendation of the best place to purchase your domain. Step-by-step walkthrough of all customizations and WordPress installation. I will show you how to have access to more than 1,000 plus pre-made templates. Now, let me tell you a secret. Just move closer, come closer. You will get everything for free. I will show you how to get it for free. Also, I will show you how to get creative and edit your website anyhow you want. Also, I will show you some special website ads that will make customers trust you. Also, how to create a logo for free. When you visit a website and you fill a form and you automatically get an email, yes, I will teach you how to do that as well. They are called email autoresponders. Email and SMS marketing are included as well. See, this guide contains value worth more than $1,000. That's about 400,000. But calm down, I'm not gonna ask you to pay 400,000. You can get the video course package on my platform Nova University today for 45,000 naira. Now, remember in the beginning when I told you I will be making you a deal, an offer that you cannot refuse? Well, just for today, for the first 20 people, you will get the whole package for just 10,000 naira. Use the coupon code NOVA225. It will take the price from 45,000 to just 10,000 naira. Just for today. The first 20 people to successfully make payment gets the slot. Your slot is confirmed on payments only. Now, if you are getting in on this deal now, today, at this moment, I will add some special and very powerful bonus package to hit. Bonus 1, how you can build a live chat function and integrate it into your website. You can even set it up such that it can automatically speak to some of your customers with some default responses. We call it a chatbot. Also, the second bonus, how you can set up an online payments page for your business and inserting it and integrating it into your website. You will be able to accept debit and credit card payments, both locally and internationally. Yes, you'll be able to accept card payments on your website. That's the second bonus I'm going to add for you. And the third bonus, my personal favorite, how you can create your own professional mail like admin@yourbusinessurl.com or joseph@yourbusinessurl.com. These bonuses are part of another premium course that I give out for 55,000 naira. But if you are getting in on this deal now, today, I will be giving you for free. You are going to be getting these 3 bonuses for free. Oh, please note that the coupon code stops working after the 20th person makes successful payments. I'm serious. I'm not joking. Seriously, check it out. The coupon limit is already set to 20 right here. So if I were you, I will get it like right now, because as we speak, I'm sure that a couple of those 20 slots has already been taken. Oh, and before I end, I have to speak about this amazing book that totally changed my life. The Hidden Secrets of a Sales Leader. It contains serious customer psychological hack that will enable you to sell anything to anyone. This is the difference between businesses that make millions in sales and those ones that are struggling. Let me give you one example of the trick that I learned in the book that works like mad. Have you noticed that, in some websites where you want to purchase a product, they will call the price $97 or $99 instead of just, $100, or 49,500 instead of just 50,000 naira. You must have seen it before, right? So actually, why? Why is this so? This trick is actually exploiting a serious principle in our brain. We approximate figures, we approximate down subconsciously. 49,500 naira is subconsciously approximated to 40,000, and 49,000 naira looks a lot cheaper than 50,000, even though it's just 500 naira difference. 49,999 looks kind of in the 40 range than just 50,000. Just seeing the figure 4 and the figure 5, it's the difference. Do you understand? So customers will tend to subconsciously go for you if you have that kind of price margin put in place. And that is why big companies, that is why they use this trick all the time. Also, the principle of scarcity, the principle of interest picking, the reverse psychology of steering desire. Oh my God, a lot of them are in this book, and it is worth thousands of naira when I got my copy. If you are part of the lucky 20 coupon users, you will get my copy for free. Immediately you make your payments, I will send it to your purchase through your purchase receipt to you. I will send it directly into your mail. Oh, please wait. This is only for coupon winners only, right? This is only for coupon winners, and it means I'm giving out only 20 copies. And here is how you apply for the coupon. I'm going to play a video presentation for you right now. Here is how you apply for the coupon. Please listen attentively so that you get it right. Immediately you click the link below, you are going to land on this page. So all you have to do is to click on add to cart. The price right here would say 45,000. Just click on add to cart, and then you are going to click on view cart. You'll be redirected to your cart page. Right here where it says coupon code here, you can go ahead and enter the coupon code NOVA225. And when you click on apply code, the price right now is 45,000. You will see the coupon code removed 35,000, and then you are left with 10,000 naira. So you should see this if the coupon code has not been maxed out. So just click on proceed to checkout. All right, now you are on the checkout page. You have to fill in your details. Your first name, your company name. This is optional. Just put everything. Just go ahead and put everything. I'm gonna edit this out because I already have this email registered. And this is the most important part, the username and the password here. So you're choosing username, any username you would like to use for yourself. Just go ahead and put it. Just put your username, whatever username you want to use, and then create a strong password. It will require you to create a strong password. And you know what strong passwords are. It has to contain special character, number, uppercase and all that. So immediately after you are done, you will see you are paying a total of 10,000 naira. You have two payment options here, direct bank transfer and debit card. I will go through both of them very quickly. So if you are going with direct bank transfer, let's say for some reason you don't want to use your card, but it is highly recommended that you pay with your card. But let's try direct bank transfer first. Click on place order right here. So when you click on place order, you will be redirected to this page. This is your order received page. Here you are going to see the bank details. The bank details are right here. Just make the transfer. Immediately you make a transfer of 10,000 naira. Just click here. Click here to send your payment proof. You can send it to this phone number right here, or better still, just click here. Immediately you click here, you'll be redirected to my WhatsApp page where you can send your proof of payment, and immediately your proof of payment is received. Immediately you are going to have access to the course. I'm going to give you access to the course, and it will look something like this. Okay, on your checkout page. So you have to click on profile right here. Click on profile. When you click on profile, and you are going to have your dashboard. You are going to have your profile right here. So after you have been given access to the course, you are going to see here under purchased, you are going to see web design consultancy. Here it is. This is your course package right here. And if you click on it right here, you are going to be redirected, boom, to the course page. Here it is. You now have full access. Full access to the course right now. So you can click on any of the lectures. And you can go ahead and have access to the lecture. Let me ask you a question. How much does improving your business mean to you? If you can take your business to the next level of sales, the next level of profit, the business that are making millions are not better than you, here's a chance for you to put yourself out there. How will you feel if you have total control? You can do whatever you want with your business website. You can take your business global without spending a fortune. just a click of a button away. Check below to see the link of the video I promised you in the beginning of this video presentation, and also it has also been sent to your mail. Now click the button below to get started, and God bless you, and I wish you well in your businesses. But click the button below now to get started.